Good morning. It's Monday, March 23rd. This is a 5-minute chart. What we're looking at here is the market opened up. We gapped down quite a bit, got a limit down, came off that limit down, touched it here 3 more times, 4 more times, pulled back here, then eventually they held it over here. Now what happened is right here, the Fed said they would buy an unlimited amount of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities, and this thing just shot the market up here. And I don't know if I said it in the room, but that 2500 area up here looks to me like a place where the big liquidity is, and I could easily see a bounce up to there. We'll look this morning and see how that looks, but the Fed buying an unlimited amount of treasuries and mortgage-backed securities does not fix a 50% decline in the economy. And so, yeah, it keeps banks solvent, but it doesn't it doesn't keep the economy, it doesn't change what's going on in the economy. So been saying for a while now, especially in this kind of market movement, that if you just trade the CP to CP, so what we see here is some pullback back to here. We'll see if they hold up in this area. If they don't hold up here, look for some pullback here. If they don't do that, look for down here. And then if they can't hold up that area, then we could see much more, and we could even see lower. It's just going to depend on how the open goes here, but not at all out of the question. Maybe not all today, but not at all out of the question that we see this 2500 area, and then we'll see what happens there. So what there is to say here about this morning is watch these CPs and watch for CP to CP, and up above here, going up there, up above there, up to here, up to there, up to here, here, and we'll just play it one at a time and see how that goes. But look for pullbacks here or here, and ideally this area would hold for a pullback and then another push higher if that's what they're going to do. And they may not even get that low. So we'll just see. Maybe the market shakes this news off and we see another big push down. But on Friday and then over the weekend, you can see a lot of liquidity at 2500, and would make a lot of sense that they want to get short up there and then another leg down. So we'll see how that all goes, and maybe the market shakes this off. But if we stick with CP to CP, should be just fine here today, and I'll see you in the live trade room.